We are lagging like a mug right now. Oh my god. Oh man. Chat, no. All right, we'll wait. I don't know what happened. I'm sitting here talking to myself. Oh my god. I can't believe I was talking to myself. I gotta plug the Ethernet up. All right, we'll wait. Unreal. Unreal. Oh my god. Wait. All right, let me put this in here. I cannot believe that just happened. It didn't even give me a message. Usually it tells me I'm disconnected. Jeez. That's crazy. All right, who's in here? Yo, I don't know what happened. The chat, like, I don't know what happened. We lagged out, guys. I don't know. If you guys can hear me right now, give me a thumbs up in the chat. I have no idea what happened, but we're back. I was talking about trend lines. That's all I know. Oh my god. All right. Oh my god. We're back. All right, who's in here? Where was the dude? Dusty Callahan, what's up? This stupid freaking thing, man. Every day it's something with this thing. I swear this computer just hates me. Oh my god. I paid $4 grand almost for this computer. I would think that this crap wouldn't happen, but it does. What can I do? I hope it doesn't lag out again. That's super annoying. We had 11 people. I don't know where they're at. We'll see if they come back. My bad, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry. My apologies. It's always something over here. There's always something broke. Like literally always. Let me manage this. Let me delete this other video. Live videos, and let me delete this crap because this is pointless. 15 minutes, yeah, delete. Delete forever, yes. Yes, I understand. Bye-bye. All right. Is it echoing? Oh no. See, it's always something, man. Is it? Let me see. Is it echoing? Oh no. See, it's always something, man. Is it? Oh no, it's not that bad. All right, we're good. Okay. All right, we'll see if they come back in. Anyways, I don't know how far we got with that video, but if the guy's still in here that asked about reversal, I need 3 touch points on a trend line on a daily time frame, or at a bare minimum on a 4-hour time frame to really verify a trend reversal. All right. But I mean, like I said, that could take a minute, right? I mean, right now we're in a downtrend. On the daily time frame, it took a minute for this to happen, right? I mean, look, I mean, we got 1, 2, 3. That took 3 months. All right, I mean, it took a while. So, I mean, but you could do it on a lower time frame. It's just, if you want a real, actual, like, statistical reversal confirmation, you need 3 touch points on a daily time frame. And you see, I mean, how long it took. This took a while. So right now we just got our 3rd touch point really on this. So we could there's some room for some more downside because we are in a downtrend on this. So we just need to hope it doesn't hold up. That's really what we need to hope for here. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I am back. We'll see if those people come back in. I don't know. They probably were like, screw it. I don't know how far we got till the video stopped. I'm not sure when you guys stopped hearing me. Let me pull up. Yeah, let me pull up Shiv actually. SHIB. All right, so yeah, we did not get that close above the 50. Oh yeah, we did. All right, we did. We got the close above the 50 yesterday. That was good. That's solid. Now we're kind of just trickling here between the 50 SMA and my yellow line, really, which is the top of that golden zone. SHIB did go on a little run. It kind of spiked up to what, 55? Yeah, about 54, 55. That was a nice run. I mean, people sold here. I have no idea why, but they did. I think we're definitely going to keep going. I don't see this just tanking. There's too much volume. All right, we surpassed Bitcoin in volume like yesterday or the day before. I think SHIB's going. Probably going to lose a zero here pretty soon, I imagine. I don't know if 1 cent is possible. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. But I remember when everyone said Doge would never hit 1 penny. I remember it. I remember very well. Everyone was convinced. I mean, they would probably bet every penny they had that Dogecoin would never hit 1 penny. So, and look where it went to 72 cents. So I don't want to hear anything from people that think SHIB can't do something similar, because it can. We know it can. Bitcoin destroyed people's belief system. Dogecoin destroyed people's belief system. Ethereum destroyed people's belief system. And why can't SHIB? All right, so I mean, we'll see what happens. S. Hall says Jerome Powell's live, and if his comments match yesterday's, the market will continue down. If he flips his stance, it will spike up. We will see. All right, you want to listen to this guy? Is it on YouTube or what? I don't know if it is. We can watch it if he's live. Yeah, we ain't got nothing else to do. This is a month ago. I don't think I can pull it up on YouTube. No. Give me 1 second. All right, I don't know where it's at. I can't find it. Do you know what's the website? I mean, I can't find it on here. I really can't. I don't see it. I filtered today too. Let me see. Tools. Let's do today. Has he already started talking? Oh, right here, right here. I see. Is this it? This can't be it, right? Maybe it is it. Oh wait, no, I saw it. Hold up. This is it, right? Yeah, this is it. This is it. I think this is it.
Complain now about the difficulty of hiring workers, but
is this it?
This is a very unusual
I think this is it.
shock that's hit the economy, and at the same time, we see that a large number of workers have their participation in the labor force has declined, and it hasn't yet gotten back up to normal levels. In some cases, it's because there were early retirements, and of course, the pandemic did result in, unfortunately, a large death toll. But I think there is still many people
yeah, we can watch it for a minute. That's cool.
Especially low-income workers who don't feel
When is he? When did he already talk, or yeah? When is he going to talk?
Health consequences of working, especially in face-to-face type jobs, and so those people are still out of the labor force. And I think as we get greater control over the pandemic, the supply of workers will increase as those people come back to work.
The gentleman from North Carolina, Mr. McHenry, who is a ranking member of the committee, is now recognized for 5 minutes.
Chair Powell, the last time we were here.
All right, Joseph Garcia, thank you. Hey, is this the Powell speech? I don't know if he's talked already or not.
The Fed
I really don't know.
incorporates new spending from the fiscal house, from Congress and the White House. They incorporate
all these
that
people are
into
scumbags to me.
projections, right?
They're all scumbags.
And the effects of your monetary decisions with the knowns of fiscal policy. And at the time, you said this twice before, I think you'll say it again, but a lot depends on the details. Certainly you incorporate that information, but a lot depends on the details. Is that still true?
Yes.
Okay. So in light of that, we had in February, a Democrat-only proposal that made it into law that spent $2 trillion. And then we have, just last week, another bill the administration supports that enhances the deficit, according to the Congressional Budget Office, raises the deficit by $400 billion. And so we have those two large.
This is all gibberish to me. I just know charts.
When Chair Waters asked, Secretary Yellen, when Chair Waters asked the chairman of the Federal Reserve whether or not spending more money from the fiscal house will improve inflation, I think what she asks, instead of improve, I want to translate for the public. When a Democrat says improve inflation, it means enhance or raise inflation, just to be clear, okay? So my friends on the left, when they say improve inflation, they want more of it. So, Secretary Yellen, to this point, now these things are imprecise. Policy making is imprecise.
Guys, I don't know if you guys want to watch this. Give me a thumbs up in the chat. If not, I'll turn it off. I know S. Hall wants to watch it, but if you guys are bored, we can just chill and talk charts.
Right? In economic projections. And came to Congress for a fiscal stimulus in the name of COVID, but a fiscal stimulus.
All right, well, this isn't Powell. When Powell talks, I'll turn it on. Let me know when Powell talks, because that's some boring ass shit. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really watch the news like that. But if Powell talks, I'll play it, because yeah, the market does seem to move when he talks. So hopefully he says something good. I can't watch stuff like that. It tilts me because I know that there's crazy inflation, and it just tilts me that they're doing it on purpose. And they are doing it on purpose. Don't think for 1 second they're not. They are. They are doing it on purpose. All right. I don't know. What can we talk about here? I don't know where everyone's at today. Everyone took the day off, I guess. That's a way to be ahead of the curve, for sure. For sure. And if Jerome Powell talks, I'll definitely turn it on. But I don't know who those people are. I don't watch the news, man. I really don't. I don't let that stuff affect me. I know it does affect the stock market, for sure. It does affect the markets, but I tend to just go off charts. I don't really use news as leverage in my trading. I just don't. I don't. I definitely stay away from trading news too, because we already know what happens. You start trading off news, you start getting wrecked. All right, like really, you do. Market watch. Where was that? Oh, right here. Check CYBL here. I can't believe this. This has not changed. This has been the same for like a year, almost a year. Not much has changed here. It's got squeeze potential. I mean, like I said, there's a lot of stocks right now that have a lot of squeeze potential. Short interest, 30.58 million. You know, of the float, that's almost 20%. That's pretty high. That's actually really, really high. So, I mean, this thing could squeeze. This thing could squeeze just like AMC. I mean, I think it's going to happen at some point. One day we're going to wake up and this thing is just going to be going. I really think that's going to happen. One day it's just going to take off. I mean, and people are going to get left behind. That's why I have some of that liquidity freed up in the next week or so, because I'd like to average down hard here. But I mean, I don't know. I don't know how long it's going to take. It might be a week. It might be 2 weeks till I have that money. But I hope I can get it soon, because I really do want to average down hard here. Especially if we come down to this yellow zone, which is like load the boat freaking zone. This is like the last zone that's going to save us. You look to the left over here on Mavis on the daily time frame. There's no real zones up in here. If we break this zone, guys, it's not looking good. All right, if we break this zone, that's when I'll be like, oh shit, because this is the last zone of defense really above $5. We break that zone. The next one's like down here at 370. So I really hope that doesn't happen, but I mean, it could at this point. Why is the music always turning off on me? That's so crazy. I don't know why it does this. I really don't. All right, there it is.
Large number of workers.
When does he? When did he already talk, or yeah? When? All right, there it is. All right. Mavis, 718 on the ticker, bouncing out of that demand zone. Hopefully it holds up. I don't know. We have a downtrend. Definitely here. This is definitely a downtrend. It is happening. We got to get above that 50 SMA. That's going to take some time. But right now the 50 SMA is sitting at 934. So I mean, it's not that far. It's not that far ahead or above us. It's like You know what? A little less than $2, like $1.80 or something. It's not that far. It wouldn't take that much if we break out of this wedge right here. Definitely could get above the 50. I mean, we just could, and I hope it happens. Good morning, Dax Dog Ranch. What's up? Joseph Garcia says, nah, shorts are already covering. It won't go that low. I don't either. I honestly don't. I don't think it will. Looking at the stats and looking at all this stuff, I don't think Mavis is going that low. I just don't. I mean, maybe it comes down, you know, slightly lower here, like maybe around $6. But other than that, I don't see it really going lower than this. But I mean, we are on a downtrend. All right, we are on a downtrend. That's a fact. 1, 2, 3 on the daily time frame. We're on a downtrend. I don't know how long this can go, but I mean you see it. Laser broke out and did the same thing here. They had a breakout and now they're back down below the 50. So they are doing the same kind of thing. I mean, this is just the whole LiDAR sector is just not good. They're just probably attacking the whole sector. I don't think it's just Mavis. This is the whole sector. You see laser down here at 16 bucks. I mean, yeah, it's like the same. It's the same scenario. Velodyne, same thing. 557 on a downtrend, same thing. So there's the story is the same on every LiDAR stock right now. So I'm not too worried about it. Like I said, it's going to be integrated one day. It's going to be necessary to have LiDAR and OEM vehicles, and I think that one day it's just going to pop, and we're going to be shocked. One day the shorts are just going to fully cover, and the thing is going to go to the moon. I really believe that. So I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, they're going to be waiting for him to drop some news, but it's going to go quick. I mean, they're not going to have much time. I think he just drops news one day. We got to have some kind of news at some point soon. I mean, we just do. I mean, we just do. It has to be at some point. He's going to have to say something. He's going to have to say something. We have another earnings on March 9th coming up in a couple months. I don't know what he does before now on March 9th. I have no idea. Let's see. What does this one? What did this one say? All right. I mean, yeah. I mean, money wise, the earnings never look good, and people and you know bad traders trade off that. But I mean, I don't know. You can make money on these earnings because, like I said, most people are not in this for implied value. They're not, and that's what this stock is about. This stock is making no money. Microvision is making almost $0. They're spending much more than they're making. All right, that's a known fact. But it doesn't mean that it's not worth something. That's not what that's. You got to look at implied value with Mavis. You just do. You just do. Oh my God, have I been muted this whole freaking time? Are you kidding me? Oh my God, how long have I been muted? No, how long have I been muted? Guys, what's the last thing you heard? I'm about to throw this microphone across the room. What's the last thing you guys heard? Because I've been talking for a hot minute. What's the last thing y'all heard? Oh my God. I hate this microphone. Because I press mute and I forget to unmute it. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh my God. Are you kidding me, dude? Jeez. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. You guys, oh my God. The last thing was laser. That was like 10 minutes ago. Oh my God. All right. I'm not going to go back through everything I said. I'm really not. I can't do it. I've said too much. Oh my God. That's insane. I can't believe that just happened. That's like newbie. That's like some shit I did back when I first started doing this. Anyways, I was saying about Mavis here that all the OEMs know about Mavis, all the tier 1 suppliers, they know about Microvision. Everyone knows about them. It's almost impossible that they don't get some deal. It's almost impossible. I can't imagine Microvision not getting a deal. I can't imagine. I mean, they're literally. I mean, consortium. I mean, they're having. What is this? I'll read this again. The project will provide common sensor application and characterization guidelines, as well as common and application relevant evaluation framework, led by some guy or some company I can't pronounce. Fukagumba. Fukagumba. I don't know. Is that how you say it? I don't know. A Germany-based research and engineering services company with a history of leading similar automotive testing standard efforts. The consortium includes several well-known OEMs and tier 1 suppliers. All right, so I mean, and this also says with Microvision being one of just 3 LiDAR developers select. All right, so one of 3 selected. I mean, come on, they all know about Microvision, dude. It's coming. I'm telling you guys, it is coming. It is coming. It is freaking coming. Lori Haslam, good morning. Thank you for being here. I need to hit a boomstick. Dude, you're on those boomsticks. This is actually good news. I can't believe people are not buying it from this. That is, I mean, I would love to know why won't they tell us which ones? Why can't they tell us which ones are in the consortium? I would love to know who's in the consortium. It says several well-known OEMs and tier 1 suppliers. Let us know who it is. NVIDIA, Audi, I mean, who? I want to know. But I mean, Microvision is one of just 3 LiDAR developers selected to participate. That is awesome. It's going to happen. I mean, it's going to happen. $7.35 on the ticker. Let's go, Mavis. Get your ass up there, babe. We're going to the top of that. We're going to the trend line. We're going to the top of that trend line. That's just probably for sure going to happen. We'll probably hit $8. Maybe $7.80 to $8. I see us going up there and at least testing. I can't believe I was talking for 10 minutes, chat. You guys didn't tell me? You guys can't let me know, hey, we can't hear you? Golly. Oh my God. What's up, Mike Jones? Nah, that can't be right. That is huge news. I know. Why? I don't understand why people are freaking out about this stock. I really don't. You have oh my God. The opportunity to get rich here is so high. I mean, come on, dude. It's at $7.35 right now. Are you kidding me? Anybody that was caught up here, I don't know how you're not averaging down right now. If I had a $20+ average, I would be doing whatever I could to get my average down here. I really would. I swear. I really would. I would not be messing around. Oh, yeah, I know the mic was muted. Yeah, you still hear the music. The mic was muted. You're busy with both hands? That sounds dirty, man. That sounds dirty. Oh my God. But no, that's actually good news. I didn't know they dropped that. That's actually good freaking news, guys. I mean, go read this. There's a consortium project that is, I guess, going to be testing sensors for systems intended to support ADAS and autonomous driving. And Microvision is one of 3 to be chosen. I guess that's pretty cool. With so many LiDAR developers in the market today making various claims around sensor quality and performance, the lack of agreed upon standards and test protocols leaves us with an apples to oranges comparison. So Microvision is one of 3 chosen to really standardize the specs. Is that what I'm reading? Is that, chat, is that what I'm reading? Microvision is one of 3 that's been chosen to basically standardize basically the quality of the sensors. That is huge. That's huge. That's big news. That is good news. That is good news. I'm just saying. I don't care. I'm still holding for whatever. Whatever happens, happens. I'm not ever selling. Ever until we get to where I need to be. I'm not, so we can just drop to $2, whatever. That's good news, man. That is really good news. That's good news. Why is this not moving? That is huge news. I mean, it really is. And I want to know who the hell is in this consortium. Who is in this? Which developers are in this? I want to know. Which OEMs and which tier one suppliers? I want to know. Why is it not telling us? I want to know. So Mavis has been, so right here, this right here, the lack of agreed upon standards and test protocols. So Mavis, out of all the LiDAR companies, Mavis was chosen to basically be the, hey, this is what's standard. In order to compete, you have to have these specs and prove it. That's huge. That is huge. Are you kidding me? That's huge. And that came out today. That was today at 8:30. This thing's moving. There's no way this is not gonna move. I'm telling you guys, like, we're gonna definitely come test this trend line. Like, almost guarantee you we're gonna test this trend line. And we did it right out of the zone too. It's crazy when they drop news. It's like they drop news right at demand zones. It's almost like they're in cahoots with the hedge funds. What the hell's going on here? It's so weird. That is so weird. That is super weird. 737 on the ticker. On the daily, let's go to the 30-minute. Just broke above that 50 SMA on the 30-minute. Like I said, we're probably likely coming up to test the trend line up here. I hope we break out. I hope we can get above the 4-hour 50. That would be freaking awesome. I hope it happens. I really do. This is huge. I mean, this is huge news. Like, this is legit. This is legit news. I mean, finally they dropped something. That's huge. I gotta put that in Discord. I gotta put that in the freaking Discord. Whoops. That's actually big news. That's cool. I like that. I'm happy about that. I'm okay with that news. That is good news. Whoever shouted that out, touche to you, my friend. Good stuff. All right, boom. Is it already in Discord? Oh, okay. They put it in there? Ah, okay. Yeah, you're right. It is. Yeah, you're right. It is. Oh, well. Now they see it twice. Let's go. That's finally some news. I did not even wake up and see that today. So good stuff. I need to make another cup of coffee after that news because, damn, this thing's moving now. 7:38. It's 10:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. I think we come up and test the trend line off that news. I need us to break that. We need to break that. We need to break that. Good stuff, Joseph. You're always on your shit, man. Good stuff. I appreciate you. That is actually, dude, that's actually really big news. Like, when you think about it, like, they were chosen to basically say what is acceptable LiDAR standards and what's not. That's like, that is actually pretty big. I would think that's big. I mean, I'm not a business expert, but I would think that being chosen to say what and what isn't standard is pretty freaking good. I would say that's pretty good. Thumbs up in the chat if you agree. If you don't, you eat yellow snow. No, but seriously, that's big news. I can't imagine this stock not moving from that. I just wish it told us who the OEMs were, right? I wish it said. As a matter of fact, let me see if we can find that out. Joseph Garcia, do you know? Does it say who the OEMs are and who the tier 1 suppliers are anywhere? I hope. I hope it does somewhere. I mean, geez, I would love to know who the OEMs are that are going to be in that consortium. I really would love to know. All right, you guys agree? That's what's up. 740, let's go. We got to break this downtrend, man. We got to break this crap. It's time. It's time. We got to break it. I want to know who the OEMs are. I want to know who the tier 1 suppliers are. It's annoying that they don't tell us. I want to know. I sound like a little baby, like, but I do. I want to know. Fisker, okay. All right, Fisker. Hey, it could be. Everyone knows about Mavis. It's not like they're in the dark, right? Like, I mean, just because they don't have a deal, everyone knows about them. OEMs know about them. The tier 1 suppliers know about them. I mean, it's only a matter of time before they get a deal, guys. It's just, I mean, I don't care what anybody says. It's only a matter of time. Especially if they're being chosen to you know, decide what's standard and what's not. And what's good and what's not. That's pretty big. That is pretty freaking big. That is pretty big. Oh yeah, no, it's something's gonna happen in 2022. I'm convinced. And I'll hold this another year if I have to, whatever. I'll hold it 2 or 3 years if I have to. I don't care. My investment in Mavis is not moving. I am staying in until something happens. I just am. Guys, I need to make one more cup of coffee. Can you guys, if you leave, you're not a real one. So hold down the fort. I'll be back in like 3 minutes. All right, hold down the fort. All right, I'm back. I am back. Let's get some rockets in the chat for that Mavis news. We got Mavis news, guys. When's the last time we had news? Like, I don't even think we've had news in like forever. The last time we had news was never. This has literally been, I mean, it's been a while since we had real news. That's some good news. All right, well, Rockets in the chat for Mavis. 744 on the ticker. Nice. All right, let's go. Nice. Rockets in the chat for Mavis. I need $8. I have call options for Friday. Let's go, Mavis. Oh God, $8. You might get there. You might break even. Oh yeah, Pavilion. What's up, my friend? I know I'm down like 28% on Mavis too. But we'll get back. I'm not even worried about it. That was huge news, guys. Go read that. I'm gonna put it in the chat. They've been chosen to basically say what is the standard for these sensors. I mean, that's huge. That's huge. And like I said, all the OEMs, all the tier 1 suppliers, they know about microvision. So they either, I almost guarantee you guys that somebody tried to buy Mavis. I can almost guarantee you that they probably have offers and Summit was just like, no, fuck you, that's not enough money. I almost guarantee you. I mean, there's no way that they have not had offers. I promise you. They've had offers. They were just dog shit offers that probably were just like laughable, right? Like 1 billion, like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, something stupid like that. And Summit was like, yeah, right. But I guarantee you they've probably had some offers. And everybody knows who they are. They know who they are. And I think Summit just doesn't want to sell it. He wants to go the partnership route. That's more money. In the long run. That's more money in the long run. And I'm okay with that. That's all the rockets we got. We got 17 people here. Y'all better throw some rockets for that. That's good news. If you're a Mavis and you're bag holding like everybody, then yeah, that's good news for us. That is good news for us. 745 on the ticker right now as it stands. We are up. How much percent is this today? I think we're up, what, 6%? 5%, I'm guessing? 5.25%. That is pretty good. That's more than usual for a day. So I'm happy about that. All right, Renzo Diaz, I see you. Pavilion Airs, I see your UFOs. Thank you. That's dope. Joseph Garcia says Summit seems like the CEO that will hold for the very best deal. Yeah, I mean, I think he will too. I mean, why wouldn't he? You guys got to remember, they received a lot of shares as payment. All right, they did, and they're around the $14 mark. So I mean, why would they accept shares like that high? Like, right? I mean, if they didn't think that they would be worth more than the money. I mean, in that moment, if you're a CEO of a company and you know your technology can change an entire sector or spawn a completely new sector, why would you accept shares, or why would you accept money over shares if you know the shares, or if you believe the shares will be worth more than the money you're being offered? I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. So you got to think about that. Their average is like Saval Oz's average, I think, is like $14. So I mean, it's going at past $14 again. You have to know that. You have to know that. I wish my money was already cleared. I would be buying here, but it's not, so I gotta wait. IVAS update is tonight. That's good too. Yeah, that is good. Good news. It's gonna be a good day for Mavis. I can feel it. Now I can feel it. Now that I read that news, that is good news. We still have 20% of the. We still have 20% of the float shorted. I mean, it's still heavily shorted. It's very manipulated, and I mean, that's not going to change until we get like a catalyst. But once we do, they're going to let up. They're going to let up and ride it to the top. I guarantee it. And it's coming. It is coming. I promise you, my friends. Just hold strong. We got to just hold. If we held up here, why wouldn't we hold down here, right? I didn't sell at 28 bucks. Why in God's green earth would I even think about selling at $6.60? Y'all, some people think the wrong way. They're like, oh, you want to get caught holding the bag? All right, I mean, I will if I have to. If I got to hold the bag, I got to hold the bag. I'm not selling for a loss. Are you kidding me? That's like the dumbest thing you can do in trading. If you believed in a company enough to buy a lot of shares, why would you sell on a dip? Even on a big dip? I mean, I'm not gambling money I'm not willing to lose. That's like the first thing you got to ask somebody that thinks that way. Like, okay, how much are you gambling? How much are you risking? And how much of that are you willing to lose? I mean, if you have $20,000 to your name and you put $20,000 in microvision, all right, I might be sweating a little bit. I might be sweating a lot, but that's not the case for me, so I'm not really worried about it. I'm just not. $8 could happen. I don't know about today. I don't know. I guess it could happen today, but I don't think you're hitting 8 today. You might hit it tomorrow, maybe. maybe possibly tomorrow or the next day. That $8 is right there at that trend line. But yeah, I mean, it could happen today. You're not that far away from $8, my friend. About 50 cents, 7.49 on the ticker. Not that far away. Yeah, of course, Renzo. I mean, obviously, if we knew this was gonna happen, yes, I would have sold at 28 without even thinking about it. I mean, golly, if we knew this was gonna happen, I would have been like out of there at 28 bucks. I mean, with the quickness. But we can say that with a lot of investments. If I knew this, I would have did this, right? But I mean, we didn't know. We didn't know. We did not know. Let's go, Mavis. Let's go. All right. Oh man, freaking Microvision, dude. What a freaking roller coaster. Seriously. What a roller coaster. Ah, it hit 30 in the after hours. Yeah, it's true. It did. Yeah, you're right. It did. It did right here. 30. No, it didn't. Actually, oh, did it? I don't know. Trading view showing the high of the wick at about 28.01. All right, I don't know. But maybe after hours it did. Yeah, you're probably right. Oof. Man, this has been a roller coaster, though. Guys, make sure you hit that like button for me, all right? I would appreciate it if you can do that. I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much. We got 6 likes on this video. Make sure you guys smash that like button, all right? We gotta, I gotta get these algorithms back up. And the way I can do that is if you hit that like button. Oh man, 749. We'll see. I mean, we do have a double bottom here. That's actually, I mean, like I said, you see the double tops and double bottoms they play out. We have a double bottom right here. You guys see this? Thumbs up in the chat. Chat, where you at? Got a double bottom right here. That is, that's bullish. I mean, and you see what happened. We literally reversed out of this double bottom. I don't know if we're gonna break the wedge here and break the 50, but you see what happened on the 4 hour. We got a nice double bottom here. And that is good. That's a start. That is a start. That is for sure a start. No, we didn't gap up. We just have a lot of buying going on right now. We did not gap up. We just have buying. A lot of wick here. A lot of wick here. Just a lot of buying off this demand zone. And like I said, this demand zone, this is, I mean, we have a few left, but if we get past this one, that's why I have it in yellow lines. If we get past this one, that is like a warning. That's like, oh my God. Wow, there's not much to save us if we break this one. We have a price action wise. We have a lot. We're probably coming down to like $3 if we break this one. I would imagine somewhere around $3 if we break this one. But we haven't done that. We're bouncing out of this demand zone. And that is, you know, I mean, hopefully we can get above the wedge and get above that 50 SMA on the daily time frame. All right, that's like the goal. That is the goal. Oh yeah, $8. Let's get some rockets in the chat for John Pryor. Wait, not John Pryor. What am I talking about? Joseph Garcia. Joseph needs $8 for his calls to break even. Let's get some more rockets in the chat for Joseph Garcia. I think you're gonna break even on that, my friend. I really do, because the trend line, $8 is right at that trend line. That's probably gonna happen for you. I hope it does. I hope it does. I'm just saying, I get hung and strung out to dry if I don't tell you guys the downside. They think I'm pumping and dumping. No, I'm just telling you guys. Like, this zone right here is the last level of like real support before we tank off into the abyss. This zone right here, what is it? 490 to 519, basically. This little zone, that's our last level of support before the abyss swallows us whole. Yes, rockets for John Pryor too. Facts. All wedges have bullish probability. All right, this is a different wedge. All right, we redrew it in. This wedge, I mean, you see how it's happening here. I mean, it always is going to be a bullish setup. Now, it doesn't always happen, but I would say 80 to 85% of the time it does happen. if we break out and we get above that 50 out of this wedge, we need something like this, right? The last time we broke out, we came up like this, and then we just came right back down. We need this candle to do this. All right, we need a big momentum candle, break out like that, get us above the 50. Maybe then we can retest, you know, something like this. If the 50 is doing that, we come back down, retest right here, and then make our move like that. That's what it's supposed to happen, all right? That is how it's supposed to happen. I know that microvision doesn't really follow, you know, standard price action sometimes, but that's what it's supposed to happen. So I hope that's what happens. But we need a candle like that. We had a candle like this one on the last one. We need the big candle. You know, the big boy candle. I know, dude. $8 on Mavis. Who'd have thought it? David Thomas, thank you for the rockets, man. I appreciate you. What's up? Make sure you guys hit that like button, all right? I'm chilling. We are streaming again, and we're trying to get the algorithm back up, so make sure you hit the like button. Yeah, like I said, I have some major liquidity coming in my way. We sold a property, so I have some money coming in the next week or two. I am really hoping that it does not break out yet, because I want to average down hard here. And like I said, I want to do it right here, but I would have done it here, just so you guys know. I would have done it here if I had the money available right now, but I don't. So I gotta wait. But yeah, I would have did it here, and that would have been a really, really nice average down for me. I would have a low average. I'm trying to get under 10 bucks, like total. So anything under $10 is gonna be perfect, I think, for this stock. And right now, if you do have a big, you know, a larger average, you know, if you're over 15, 16 bucks, over 20 bucks, take the opportunity. I can't tell you what to do and what not to do. I'm not doing that, but I would do it if I had a really large average, and I don't even have a large average, and I'm gonna do it. So that should tell you what you need to do. I would definitely do it. Yeah, exactly. $7 per share is a blessing. I mean, it really is. This thing is gonna be over $50. I mean, at a bare minimum, it's gonna be over $50 at some point. I'm telling you. I don't know when, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it will be there. One day, it will be there, and you will be happy that you did this right now. You will be happy. What are we at? 747. All right, 747 on the ticker. Let's check SHIB. Who wants a Shibaroni sandwich? I will take one. 48 on SHIB. Or wait, no, 47 on SHIB. We're above the 50. We're holding above the 50. That's good. We got to close above the 50 on the daily yesterday. That is good. And now we need this to hold. We need to hold above the 50 and get above 48 for the day. That'd be good. Close above 48 today would be nice. Even, I mean, 49 would be even nicer, obviously. But we can get a close above that yellow line, that double top right here. That would be good. If you guys didn't know, Mavis dropped some news today. If you're just joining, they dropped some good news. I'm not going to read it again, but it's right here. I'll put it in the chat for you guys. I will stick it in the chat. Hey, Tim, what's up, man? Let's get it. Yes, thank you for the comment, and I appreciate you being here. Make sure you hit that like button, brother. All right, there's the news for Mavis. Oh, man. That's good news, guys. I mean, I can't stress enough how good that is. When you dissect that news, you dissect what it's saying. I mean, I just feel like that's huge. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I feel like that's big. I mean, there's a lot of LiDAR companies, and for Mavis to be chosen from the consortium to be the company that is literally the one company that's going to say what's standard and what's not, that's huge. That's like big. I mean, come on. I just wish it told us which OEMs and tier 1 suppliers were in the consortium. I wish we knew that. Because then we could narrow down who might buy them out and who might land a deal with them. I mean, why wouldn't you want to... If you're an OEM or you're a tier 1 supplier, why would you not want to strike a deal with the company that's being chosen to dictate what's standard and what's not as far as specs go? Why would you not want to deal with them? I would. If I was an OEM, I would want to deal with them. I would definitely want to deal with them. Summary of the news. All right, man, we'll read it. I mean, it's right here on the screen, Jason, but I'll read it. Given the importance of sensors to systems intended to support ADAS and autonomous driving, it is critical that the industry develop testing standards that will allow OEMs and consumers to compare and evaluate those sensors. With so many LiDAR developers in the market today making various claims around sensor quality and performance, the lack of agreed upon standards and test protocols leaves us with an apples to oranges comparison. Microvision is honored to have been invited to participate in this safety critical project. The project will provide common sensor specification and characterization guidelines, as well as common and application relevant evaluation framework, led by Fakagumba. I don't know how to say that company, all right, but we're gonna just pretend like that's right. A German-based research and engineering service. Oh my God. A German-based research and engineering service company with a history of leading similar automotive testing standards efforts. The consortium includes several well-known OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers, with Microvision being one of just 3 LiDAR developers selected to participate. That's huge. All right, so they only chose 3 LiDAR companies. I don't know the other ones. Maybe it's Velodyne. I don't know. But we're one of 3, and that means the OEMs and the Tier 1 suppliers know who we are. Why would they not want to deal with us? Why? It doesn't make any sense. It's going to happen. I'm telling you guys. At some point, it's going to happen. You could just say that Mavis is the LiDAR gold standard. They are, man. They are. I agree. I think they are. I really do. I truly believe that. But, I mean, I guess it's up for debate. But that was the news, Jason. So they're basically going to be participating in a consortium that dictates what's standard and what's not for these sensors. That's basically it. That's very good news. Yeah, that's very good news. Trust. I'm not a business professional. All right, I don't know the ins and outs of business and you know, all this stuff, but that sounds very good. Jeff Abrams says price doesn't say we're golden standard. Well, neither did Amazon back in the day, right? I mean, this is a heavily manipulated stock. You look at the numbers real quick. I mean, we have 30.58 million in short interest, all right? 18.87, basically 19 to 20% of the float is shorted. That's huge. We still have 164 million shares outstanding, and the public float is 162.01 million. All right, I mean, it's being manipulated. It's being shorted. There's nothing you can do about it. I mean, it's a small cap stock, all right? They have enough money to manipulate the stock, and they're doing it. The technology and, you know, the implied value speaks for itself. The share price is based off manipulation. We know that. We've known that for a year now. At least I have. And so when you're looking at the stock, you got to be looking at implied value. That is what this stock is, all right? It's a gamble, but it's a good gamble because you look at the implied value of what LiDAR can do and will do in the world, and you look how many companies there are that are actually competing in this sector. We're really up in the top 3 for sure. So I mean, we're gonna strike a deal at some point. It's just like almost facts, I feel like. So yeah, the share price says the opposite, but we know by looking at these stats, 18 or basically 20% of the float is shorted. That's huge. All right, so they're manipulating the share price. That has nothing to do with the technology. That has nothing to do with the technology. Jeff Abrams says, has institutional ownership changed lately? No, they're still buying, actually. They're still buying this. All right, they're still buying Microvision. I mean, we can check it out. We can look at it. I guarantee you it's still there, though. I mean, still buying 4.7 million shares. Vanguard bought more here at whatever share price this was. I'm not logged in, so I can't see it. Oh, it won't even let you look at it now. That sucks. I gotta log in. All right, well, you can still see kind of here that the institutions are not selling. They're still buying. All right, they're still buying this thing. So, you know, the smart money's invested, and they know that LiDAR is gonna be huge. I'm not selling, guys. I freaking hope. I pray to God that money clears soon so I can get in and average down here. But yeah. But that was good news. That was good news for Mavis. It really was. CYBL is on a tank. Oh, we touched the zone. All right, we did touch this zone. This is a great spot, guys. If you're looking to scalp or get in CYBL, this is one of my... I have a pretty large position here. I'm going to be adding on here for sure when this money clears, hopefully in the next week or two. But this is a good spot to do it. CYBL is going to probably likely be on the NASDAQ in the next year or two. I mean, it really seems like they are. They're doing a lot. They're making a lot of money. They're doing a lot of things. I'm not going to dive into the DD, but this company, CYBL, Fern, ILUS, and what was the other one? that I'm not invested in. I forget. But those three have, or DPLS also. DPLS, CYBL, and Fern and ILS. Those companies have roadmaps to the NASDAQ. And DPLS, ILS, and CYBL being the three that I am almost certain are going to end up there. So, I mean, this is a good spot to get in CYBL. You won't see this price for long, I promise you. It might go down a little bit more, but you're not going to see anywhere near this price in the near future. You're really not. Pavilion Air says I'm in love with the sectors we're in, Metaverse and ADAS. Yep. Yeah, they're good ones. They're definitely good ones. Oh, yeah, Jason W says, seems to me there should be a ton of LiDAR usages beyond self-driving, too. Yeah, I mean, LiDAR can be used for anything, man. Drone capability, flights. I mean, there's just like endless stuff that LiDAR can be used for. I mean, it's not just vehicles. So, I mean, yeah, you're right. It could spawn some crazy, like, thing that we don't even think could happen. I mean, LiDAR can really do that. I'm surprised Elon hasn't looked into LiDAR. I know he has. I'm surprised he hasn't done anything with it. The camera system works, but I think LiDAR would make it better. I think LiDAR would make it better. Well, I know it would. I know it would. Chat, we got 18 people in here. How many of you have hit the like button? If you hit the like button on this video, give me a rocket in the chat. Let's see how many of you actually hit that like button. Because we're in here. We're doing this thing. If you hit the like button on the video, give me a rocket in the chat. Trying to get my numbers back up. So if you want to help me out, that's how you can do it. That's how you can do it. Oh my God. Trying to get these numbers up, man. Trying. And if you guys, I want to bring this up. I don't really talk about this much, but if you want to help me out and you want me to, keep doing this stuff and feel good about it, sign up to be a YouTube sub. It's like $3 a month. That's like a cup of coffee a month, right? I'm not begging you to do it. It doesn't really affect me. But if you want me to feel good, hit that join button on my YouTube. It's $3 a month, and you're really just, you don't get too many crazy perks with it, but you're just supporting my work, right? Supporting me getting on here and talking with you guys for hours at a time and hanging out. And if you guys would do that, that'd be awesome. If not, just make sure when you come in here, you hit the like button and drop a comment, all right? But if you want to take it a step further, that's there for you to do, all right? And I really, really would appreciate it if you guys want to do that. And someone was asking where the button is. It's right on the YouTube. If you go to the video, it should be a button that says join. That is you just click join and you can choose which tier you want to, which level of support you want to choose. I think the low one's like $3. But when you're creating content and stuff, it makes you feel good that somebody would pay you even $1 to hear you talk or do what you're doing. So just keep that in mind. If you were creating content, how would you feel if somebody was supporting you like that, It makes you want to keep doing it. I'll put it to you that way. There's a great video on Wharton Business School YouTube channel on M&A. Highly recommended. All right, I'll check that out. I will check that out. I need to change the music, I think. Elon thinks LiDAR's for losers. Didn't he retract that statement, though? I thought I heard or read something that, he did say that, but then he retracted it and said it was good. I don't know. I could be wrong. I thought he retracted that statement, though. Maybe I'm wrong about it, but I thought he did. I thought he retracted it. Oh, wait, I hope that didn't do it. Okay. No, it didn't. I thought I messed something up. All right, let's go back to Mavis real quick. Where's she at? 741. All right, Mavis. We need you to reverse, baby. Reverse, reverse, reverse. Let's draw an arrow, so maybe this will happen. All right, boom. That is what needs to happen. Let's go. This is technical analysis. You draw an arrow, and it works. It works. It freaking works. Yeah, he did. Hey, but I don't know. I feel like people think he's a gift from God. That guy, I mean, whatever. I'm not a huge fan of him, but I mean, he's got money and he could definitely buy this company. So I could care less who ends up with this company. I don't care. Just buy it. Apple, Google, Audi, Elon Musk. I don't care. Somebody buy it. Somebody buy it. Oh my God. Yeah, he laughed it off. Jason says, yeah, he laughed it off and said something like, I've been known to spend a yarn or two. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He retracted it because he knows how dumb that was. I bet someone like called him as soon as he said that. He probably got a call from some hedge fund like, hey, don't be saying that shit, bro. I will track you down. He had to retract it because I mean, it was dumb to say. I mean, LiDAR is awesome. LiDAR is freaking awesome. How can you not like lasers, dude? Are you kidding me? Who doesn't like lasers? I like lasers. If you like lasers, can we get a thumbs up in the chat? Is there a laser emoji? I mean, if there is, we need to put those in the chat right now. I like lasers. I'm gonna try to find one. Laser emoji? Is there one? I don't know if there is. Let me see if I can find one. I don't think there is. The closest thing to a laser that I'm seeing is, I don't know. I actually don't see a laser emoji. That sucks. Nah, I don't see a laser. Either way, man, I like lasers. Velodyne. Every time I read that word, it just makes me feel cringe. Like, which marketing brainiac decided Velodyne was the word for your company? It sounds like a freaking... It sounds like some cream you rub on yourself when you've had a night with a young lady from the bar that you never met. Go get you some Velodyne. Shit helps. Oh my God. I'm just saying, what a terrible business name. I would never call my company that. Oh, hey bro, can you pick me up some Velodyne? I had a late night. Oh my God. Oh shit. That is good stuff. Lightsaber. All right, that's smart. All right, yep, you're right. Lightsabers for lasers. All right, cool. I like that idea. Velodyne. I'll be the spokesperson for them. I would change their whole shit up. Joseph says Tesla is not the only company trying to do LiDAR without laser. I know. Tesla, I mean, I like Teslas, I can't lie. They're really insanely dope cars, but I was driving yesterday and I can't imagine sitting there and letting a car drive for me. I just can't do it. I have too much OCD and control issues. I would not be able to do it. My car kind of does it. It has like it doesn't drive by itself, but it'll keep you in the lanes and it'll go around curves and stuff. It doesn't drive for you. I can't imagine sitting in a car and not having control over where it's going. I just wouldn't be able to do it. I just wouldn't be able to do it. That's too much anxiety, man. Maybe going like 30 miles an hour. You start putting me on the highway? No, I can't do it. I cannot do it. Would be sweet if Lucid starts using Mavis LiDAR. That would be dope. Yeah, that would be dope. Try letting your girlfriend drive. Yeah, I can barely do that. I can barely do that. That's almost worse. No, my girlfriend drives good, but I'm just saying, I might trust the LiDAR a little bit more. Oh my God. David Thomas, what's up, man? I appreciate the rockets in the chat. Thank you. That's funny. Here's the arrow. I don't know who likes arrows, but there's an arrow. Oh, Mavis. Oh, Mavis. The last SEC filing was a 10Q on November 8th. All right. Yeah, we went over that. Moderna just lost a vax patent. Oh. Interesting. Interesting. Is Tesla tanking yet? Where is Tesla at? Is it tanking? No, it's not. Oh, it did drop a little bit. This is so inflated, guys. I would never, ever buy Tesla. I don't care. It could go to $5,000. I would not ever buy Tesla at this price. That is so inflated. I mean, look at that. That is just super inflated. That is so inflated. I can't even believe people are buying here. It takes balls of steel to buy Tesla here. What are you? I can't even believe it. That's crazy. It takes balls of freaking steel to buy Tesla at these prices. You got to be a straight gambling man to buy Tesla at these prices. I mean, really. It's crazy. Will alcoholics love LiDAR? Yeah, I think they will. I mean, I don't know. Does that mean that, I mean, can you still get behind the wheel? That kind of puts a gray area in DUI, right? I mean, what if I get behind the wheel and I just let the car drive and I'm drunk as shit? Am I still going to jail, or am I getting a pass? I mean, you know what I mean? Am I getting a pass? Am I getting a pass? That's all I want to know. JCW says Microsoft HoloLens to be able to see through smoke and fog clearly tells why LiDAR is required. Yeah, cameras can't do that. I want to see a camera see through a freaking fog. That's the dumbest thing ever. That's never gonna happen. How can cameras see through fog? Are you kidding me? That's not even like logical. He said directly to jail. But officer, I pressed the autonomous driving button. I was not driving. It was my car. Officer, I had my seatbelt on and I pressed the EV button. All right. Technically, I wasn't driving. I wonder if you have an argument in court. I feel like you have an argument in court. Like, lawyers are gonna have a field day with that. Yes, Judge, my client actually wasn't driving. Tesla was actually driving. Oh, that's funny. This whole autonomous driving thing is just gonna spawn some crazy shit. I just don't trust it. I don't think I ever can. I don't think I'll ever just be able to sit back and let a car drive me somewhere. I like driving too much. I don't think I can see myself doing that. Give me 1 sec, guys. I gotta be right back. 1 second, 1 second. Hold down the fort. All right, I'm back. No need for cops on the roads, just answering to distress signals. I agree. I agree. Stop pulling us over. I agree, though. I think they spend way too much time out there pirating the roads. I agree. Now, if I could let my car drive and smoke a J, we can talk. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, that'd be kind of cool. That is funny. James Jones says Summit Charmers should drive drunk to demonstrate. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, please send the ticket to Elon. What is Tesla's address, actually? Tesla just opened a brand new, like, huge... You guys would be amazed at the... Look at this shit. I gotta show you this. They opened something in Austin. It's a huge plant. They opened a gigantic freaking plant. I'm not even playing. It's insanely huge. I mean, it's huge. It is so big. It's gigantic. This doesn't even do it justice. Like, this thing is freaking huge. I mean, really. It is huge. Apparently you can see it from space. No, I'm kidding, I made that up. But you probably can. I don't know. I just know it's gigantic. I mean, it's huge. I'm pretty sure it's bigger than an Amazon fulfillment center. Like, it's freaking huge. It is gigantic. That's in Austin, Texas, by the way. But yeah, it's pretty big. Elon actually lives in Austin now. You guys didn't know he moved to Austin, Texas. I'm pretty sure. I think he did at least. I'm pretty sure he did. Oh my god. Oh my god. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you haven't done it. I'm gonna stream till about 11:15. We got about 30 minutes left. Alright, we got about 30 minutes left. Yeah, him and Joe Rogan both live in Austin now. Oh man. I'm from Texas, so Austin has changed so much. It has changed. So it used to be like a small time country city. Now it's like freaking LA. It's crazy. It is absolutely insane. I can't even begin to tell you how crazy it is out there. It is crazy. Oh man. How many people are in here? 18 people? All right, I appreciate y'all being here. I really do. We're gonna start doing this more often, so make sure you guys come back. If you get the notification that I'm live, drop in, drop a comment, drop a like, whatever. Only 2 things come from Texas. I wonder what those things are. How's the joke go? Won't you tell me? Oh my god. That's funny. That is funny. Steers and something else. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's the age-old joke. That's funny though. Yeah, that is pretty funny. All right. Let's see. Let me check. Actually, let me look at my phone. What are we at in volume for today? Wow, it went down. All right. Well, okay. 2 million in volume. All right. We have 2 million in volume. We're up 3.95% for the day. DPLS is up 2.59%, and Fern is up 1.83%, CYBL down 2.18%, and ILS down 0.24%. So, it's kind of random on my watch list, but, I mean, it's not looking bad. The market looks decent. It looks decent today. CTXR, it is December, guys. CTXR could pop at any freaking moment. I mean, any moment. Any freaking moment. I'm ready for this. Let's go CTXR. How many of you are still invested in CTXR? If you're in CTXR, let's get a thumbs up in the chat, because we might come and save you if you're holding the bag. Well, we might come and save me because I'm holding the bag. What am I talking about? I bought right here. I bought in right here and I sold up here, and then I bought in here and I got caught holding the bag. So I'm like 340 average or something, 345 or something like that. So yeah, we need some life support for CTXR, and I think it's coming. I really do. Wiley, what's up, my friend? Or Willie, Wiley, what's up? Hey, see that little white thing next to Willie's name, and his name's green? That's because he has subscribed to my YouTube, and I appreciate you very much, brother. I do. If you guys want to help me out, hit that join button on YouTube. It's $3 a month, all right, but it makes me feel good, and I'd love to have more of you on there, mainly because it just makes me feel good. So if you guys want to support my work and my channel, that is a cheap, easy way to do it. $3 a month, all right? And you can just hit join. If you want to do more, there's 2 other tiers, but Yeah, Wiley, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, let's see. What can we do here? What can we do? What other stocks are you guys investing in right now? I'm not investing in too many stocks right now. I have the ones I'm holding the bag on, LKCO also, which I believe is going to pop at some point in 2022. At some point, this thing's going to take off. It just is. I really believe that it is. I believe in this stock, and I think that at some point, LKCO is going to take off and just rip. We'll be back up trading here in the $5 range in no time. All right, for now we just hold the bag. Holding the bag on a few stocks. I can't lie. I'm caught holding the bag right now, but I'm not selling anything I'm in. I mean, if I had conviction, I did my DD and I'm in. And I'm just in for the long term. I'm not selling. I'm not selling at all. I'm not selling at all. Not on any of the bag holding stocks I'm in. I'm just holding until Catalyst. BNGO. Yeah, let's look at it. Oh man. Oh yeah. Well, this breakout was nice. This is how it's supposed to look. You see this breakout? I called this breakout, by the way. I called for this one, and it happened. Nice breakout. Slow decline. Now we're in another descending wedge here on BNGO. Well, really like a channel. This isn't even a wedge. It's just a descending channel. That's not a wedge. That is just a descending channel. Looking kind of bearish here, but we're due for a touch on the 50 or the trend line. We are at the bottom here, so I would suspect that maybe it would be a good time to scalp this or swing this back up to the top of the trend line. Maybe. I mean, don't just do it because I said that, but I mean technically this would be a good time to try to do it. We are at the bottom of the trend line, and I mean, well, you could probably easily scalp this back up to that 50 SMA. I would imagine. But I don't know. This thing seems to be moving pretty slow, so you might get caught holding it for a minute. Mark P says, "Do you day trade or invest?" I day trade Forex. I have not been day trading stocks lately, so I invest in the stock market, and I've been day trading Forex and crypto sometimes. I should be day trading stocks though. I'm freaking smashing these zones. I could be day trading Mavis all day. I just don't. I got a lot going on. And Forex allows me to trade at nighttime, like after midnight, so which is when I'm up doing creative shit. So I tend to like day trade Forex more than the stock markets. But I appreciate your question. I'm also an XTC. It's local to me here, and it's a nice dividend stock. Nice. Yeah, man, I am up at night doing creative stuff, for sure. I'm way more creative at nighttime. I am. I mean, I'm creative in the morning too, but after like noon, like from like noon to like 8 p.m., I don't know. I feel like I'm just like, I don't even know. I get creative at night. Like after like when the sun goes down, I just feel like I'm more creative. I just feel it. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's like that for a lot of people. Actually. Oh, is it dropping? Let's see. I mean, you can't expect just straight movement, right? I mean, although that was really good news. That was really good news. I feel like that was really awesome news. That's something else to look forward to, the consortium. That's like good news. I feel like that's definitely in our favor, for sure. All right, chat. I might turn it off at 11. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I might just turn it off at 11. I've had fun though. It has been fun. I appreciate y'all for being here. The news is being tweeted on Mavis. Yeah. Oh, Microvision's Twitter. Yeah, is that what you're? Okay. I mean, I'm gonna retweet that too. Guys, by the way, if you don't follow me on Twitter, do that. I'm trying to do that too. I suck at doing it because I'm not consistent. But if you want to follow me on Twitter, you definitely can. Twitter/TradeModeJames. Twitter, MVIS. Yeah, MVIS. Let's see what they're doing. Okay. Yeah, they put it on Twitter. Here we go. Wait, no, they didn't. Yeah, no, they did not. God, Summit looks like such a weirdo. What a funny looking dude. That is hilarious. He looks like the kind of guy that would say fuck you to $5 billion. He just looks like that dude. I don't know. Like, he looks like that guy that would just like look at you like if you offered him $5 billion for Microvision, he'd just look at you like, fuck you. That's just how he looks. That is so funny. He literally looks like that. That's awesome. That is awesome. Like, he just has that look on his face, like he would just look at you like you're the dumbest person ever for even offering that much money. Eth is mooning. Yeah, it is. 4,700. Oh my god. Look, someone doesn't even have a freaking like. Look at this. Thomas Luce has some kind of thing around his neck. Someone doesn't even rock that shit. He doesn't care. He doesn't even care. Mark P says, hate that picture. Would not have given those two my 80K. I know, right? That's so funny. That is so funny. Hey, what is this? Ah, yes. I gotta retweet this. How do I do this? I don't even do this shit. Is it at Mavis? Is that how you do it? Okay. Alright, we'll tweet it. I don't know how that works. Maybe someone will see it. Maybe not. I don't know. 721 on the ticker for Mavis right now. We're looking good. Not the best, not the greatest, but we are having a reversal out of this demand zone. I don't know if it's going to hold up. We got to get above that trend line there, that wedge, and really get above that 50 to really get some movement. We want to see something like this. We want to see price kind of come up and just break through with some momentum. A big green candle like that. That's what we're looking for. The way that this candle looks that I just drew in, that's what we're looking for. We're probably going to have a candle like that at some point and then retest the 50 and then move to the upside. That's just what's supposed to happen. The 50 will do something like this. All right, this price comes back down, retest, and then do that. That's kind of what we're looking for. All right, that is what we're looking for. So let's go Mavis. Oh my God, my tweet worked. Let's go. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. I know, dude. I would think people would be talking about that. That's actually interesting that nobody is picking that up. That's really big news, but that's good for us. I hope nobody picks it up. I hope nobody picks it up so I can average down here. I want to average down before this candle happens. See this candle I drew in here? I want to average down before this happens. I need like another week. I need a week and a half. So I hope that nothing happens in between now and then, because I need that money to clear and I need to get it in the market. I need it to happen, my friends. I need it to happen. Ah, Joseph Garcia. You're a real one, Joseph Garcia. You really are. Thank you, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, it's 11. I'm gonna call it a day. All right, I gotta do some stuff. I appreciate y'all for being here. Thank you. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. You know if I want to go live. All right, make sure you go to my YouTube and look at my videos. It helps me too. Let them play in the background, whatever. Drop a like, drop a comment on my recorded videos. I appreciate y'all very much. If you guys want to join my YouTube and help me out a little bit further, you can sub. There's 3 tiers of support. If you guys want to do that, cool. If not, thank y'all just for being here. And like I said, I'm gonna try to get on here more often and do some more streaming and stuff like that. Let's go Mavis. All right, let's get some rockets in the chat. A good stream, and Mavis had some good news today. So let's end this with some rockets in the chat. I'm gonna type some with you guys. Let's do it. How can I type the rockets? Oh, I gotta do this. All right. Rocket, rocket, rocket. I got the pink rockets. If you want pink rockets, you gotta sub to the YouTube. That's how you get them. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm out. Peace and love. Have a good day. Don't stare at these charts. Mavis to the moon. See y'all tomorrow, hopefully. Peace.